To change volume on the OnePlus 15R, you can do a couple of things. You can, for example, open settings and then choose sound and vibration. And then in here we have this volume section where we have 4 sliders. So we can adjust the volume for media, ringtone, notifications, and alarm. Besides that, what you can also do is you can go to quick settings or the control center, and over here we have this slider for media volume. This is only for media. You cannot really change for example, ringtone volume or notification volume from here. At least right now it is not possible to do so. And besides that, you can of course use volume up and volume down buttons in order to adjust the media volume level as well, just like before. But you can also find these 3 dots below, which we can use in order to open this volume panel in here, just like in the sound settings. And we can use that as well to adjust the volume for media, ringtone, notifications, and alarm. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.